I'm sorry, dog. Anything to be TikTok famous. 1, 2.
Noah, you throw that dog in the pool and you're going back to live with your mother.
Haley.
After this homeless man's dog Bobo was stolen, he later found out Bobo was now at an animal shelter. He then went straight there so he can get him out, and this was the moment they were finally reunited. He put up signs all over the city trying to find him, and always made sure his dog ate and got everything Bobo needed